How to check the TDR history of your IRCTC account in your Android or iOS devices. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this simple and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can find out about the TDR history of your IRCTC account using the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So in order to start, make sure that you have downloaded and installed the IRCTC Rail Connect application in your mobile devices, either using the Play Store or the App Store. So once the app has been successfully installed, simply open it by tapping onto the icon, and then if an alert appears, simply click onto this OK button in order to dismiss that particular alert. Then it will lead you to this login page, and in order to log in, you need to click onto this login button at the top right corner of this particular page. So click onto this login button, and based upon your authentication type, you can either log in using your 4-digit PIN or using your biometrics if you have enabled biometrics authentication. Then after your user verification has been successfully done, you will be landed onto the IRCTC Rail Connect homepage, and this in homepage you will need to click onto this transactions tab at the bottom to view all of your transactions. Now here you have this option that says TDR history. So simply click onto this TDR history option, and it will show you all of the TDR history that you have filed with this particular account. Currently it does not shows any in this particular instance, as I have never ever filed a TDR. That is why TDR history is blank. But in your case, it will show you all of the TDR histories that you have filed. You can also sort it by clicking onto this top button and sort it by the booking date or either by the departure date according to your preference. So that was all about finding the TDR history in your Android or iOS devices using the IRCTC Rail Connect. So that was all for this video as well. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.